everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started. Hi everyone.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. If you are going to attend some wedding reception parties and want a royal different look, then what you need to do is watch this video till end without skipping, because I am going to show you how you can create a budget friendly look. So let's get started. The first thing is the outfit. So for royal look, you can wear a short plain silk kurti of any color. Then you can pair it with jeggings for an Indo-Western look. With this, you can wear this type of layered pearl necklace or these types of black metal necklaces. I am sharing few designs here. Please have a look. These will enhance your look, and this will hardly cost you around 150 to 200 bucks. Along with this, you can carry this golden clutch, which is again cost you around 200 to 300 rupees, but make sure the color of your purse should be golden or silver to make the similar look. Now as it's winter's running out, so you have to carry some shawl with you, but as we are talking about budget friendly things, so not going for any expensive shawls like this one, but instead you can try to pair your silk kurtis with this type of stoles, which will cost you around 700 to 1000 bucks, which will complete your look. So that's it for now guys. I hope you have must got any idea about this styling with kurtis for this wedding season. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.